No, no, no. Second. Yeah.
आप ये साइड
सर वेट वेट
जस्ट सर सर सर
देखने का भाई मेरे बेटे का
बैक हाँ ये सर आया नहीं मगर
वो लंदन में है।
आ जाओ
सर इधर देखिए ना
सर ये
गुलशन सर इधर
गुलशन सर ये
यहाँ पे
थैंक यू सर
साथ में आ जाओ
बैटमैन
थैंक यू
थैंक यू सर
Okay. Thank you.
आइए शिवा सर आइए साथ में आ जाओ आ जाओ इधर जगह का बहुत शॉर्ट है एक मिनट सर इधर देखिए
थैंक यू सर
थैंक यू
एक्सक्यूज मी मैडम ने लिखा
अरे आगे मतलब अपने पीछे लो आप मीडिया से हो
जूहू में सर जूहू 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 पे जूहू
डीवीआर आइकॉन में है ना स्क्रीन
सन ऑफ सरदार का स्क्रीनिंग है सन ऑफ सरदार
6:30 बजे वो भी है
वीडियो वीडियो
थैंक यू मैम
यहाँ पे यहाँ पे
लोग आए हैं अंदर है
हाँ अभी और लोग हैं अंदर
कौन सा चैनल से
सब अलग अलग चैनल से
अच्छा
थैंक यू
very first time, Society Achievers Special Issue Unveiling. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, this is the cover page along with Sanjay Grover. We watched this film. Sanjay is coming back from London. He's just probably bon voyage right now. The moment he lands, he'll give us a call and he'll join us very soon. But he's in London again and doing his project. Probably very soon he'll be able to join us and also have it every year. But this is the very first time that the entire magazine, the very precious, prestigious magazine of Society Achievers, special issue is on. Phool khule hain gulshan gulshan. You look dapper this evening, Ashokji. Thank you so much. You're glowing. Ladies and gentlemen, our very brilliant chief editor. Let's continue the cheer and the applause and give it up for Andrea Costabile. We're going to have many special moments, and one special moment is where, especially for this particular Society Achievers special issue, we have the very young and lovely editor, a special editor for this. As an honorable and the fashionable, the superstar actor Gulshan Grover. Thank you, Gulshanji. Thank you so much. That's so kind. And now, हम सब के लिए बहुत ही अहमियत रखता है ये पल। देखिए सज्जनों, जिन्होंने अपना डेब्यू शुरू किया था with हम पांच, जहाँ वो पांचों को अपने अपने करियर्स तो मिल गए। हम जी रहे हैं nowadays in the world of artificial intelligence, लेकिन जिन्होंने decades back बनाई थी absolutely sci-fi film Mr. India, जहाँ we probably could only imagine कि ऐसा भी कभी हो सकता है. Now that we are living in the world of AI, ladies and gentlemen, and he's given his one and only, ladies and gentlemen, maybe please give it up for the loudest roar of applause. You can give me a standing applause as we welcome the legendary filmmaker Bonnie Kapoor. We love your look, we love the handsome, absolutely the style all together, sir. What an honor to have you here with us, Bonnie Kapoor, sir. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया तहे दिल से. And now, the lady, जिनके आने से न सिर्फ चार चांद बल्कि 10 चांद. Because जहाँ भी वो जाती है, she carries that torch. She's a torch bearer. She's the light herself, bringing light in every girl's life, in every woman's life, and of course, with the AITA, we truly look forward to Indian Television Academy and their very prestigious, spectacular celebrations. Ladies and gentlemen, may we kindly welcome Anu Ranjan ji. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Without any further ado, we're going to have the grand unveiling. Then we're going to have the unveiling of the hard copy, and then we'll be seated. So, हाँ sir. लेकिन मुझे backdrop open करना है ना. पहले आपका 8 louder. 4 2 1. Ladies and gentlemen, the grand unveiling. The magazine with class presenting Magnet Publishing's Society Achievers special issue. We like to thank this beautiful, fabulous place, Ustad, and we have Neeti Goyal here with us. Thank you, Gaurav Parekh. Thank you so much. We're going to have you around the magazine. I'm going to please also kindly request Miss Neeti Goyal to kindly join us here for the grand unveiling of the hard copy. Feels good, sir. आजकल AI के ज़माने में जहाँ सब gadgets पर होता है, to feel the magazine feels like heaven. बहुत अच्छा लगता है, and हम सब बेसब्री से इंतजार कर रहे हैं to take a look. Tsunami, how are you feeling now? Finally, it's in your hand. I love it. Thank you. Can we have one more for Miss Andrea? You okay? All right. Thank you. We're gonna have all the permutations, combinations. We're gonna have friends from the media. We promise you that. Ooh la la la, ladies and gentlemen, Magnet Publishing Society Achievers special issue. the magazine with class, featuring Gulshan Grover, Sanjay Grover, with Sanjay Grover's global game plan, who started at this very young age as a producer, filmmaker, and a director, and now you're waiting to see him on the big screen. We're gonna have different combinations, a little from the
सर जी यहाँ पे देखेंगे
center, if you can. Yes, please. Thank you.
यस बोलिए जी
उल्टा करके भी लो ना
हाँ सर
क्या लोग
सेंटर लुक सर सेंटर लुक
I'm going to take this opportunity and we'll give you all the combinations, as I said. Also invite my team, or should we be seated? Can I invite them? Thank you. May we please have my very brilliant, dynamic, fabulous plays of the star.
सेंटर लुक
Thank you to my very brilliant team.
सर सामने
क्या लोग
हो गया
Before we have the chairs, sir, sit.
मेरे को इस कोने में क्यों खड़ा कर दिया
सर आप सेंटर पे आ जाए ना प्लीज आप सेंटर पे आ जाए यू डिजर्व इट ऑल नहीं सर प्लीज प्लीज सर यस नहीं सर नॉट so we girls like to be with you Bonnie ji that's the reason
क्या लोग
thank you may we please have sure.
क्योंकि 1 मिनट दिया गया है तो मैं सिर्फ 1 ही मिनट बात करूंगी
नहीं सर ना वो कब टाइम सर
आपने खुद कहा 1 मिनट
नहीं
दिया
1 मिनट मैंने आपसे कहा प्लीज 1 मिनट दीजिए फिर स्टेशन जाना है फिर
खैर चलिए 1 मिनट से ज़्यादा दे देंगे Good evening everybody. It's really nostalgic for me to stand next to Gulshan Grover. The last time I think we stood together was when we were shooting for Hum Panch and Melkori. In fact, before that, when he used to visit my house with Anil, because they both were in the same institute and both were equally mad, doing all mad stuff at the institute. That's how they became mad friends. And thanks to his friendship with Anil, that he got a launch in Hum Panch. My father took a liking to him, then almost pulled him to Eagle Films office where he got Sony Mehwar. After that, he on his own went to Dutt Saab's house and got Rocky. And since then, he's been rocking. Gulshan is a dear friend, somebody who I've known for over 40 years now, maybe more. I don't want to make him look, or rather sound, to make him look older. I'm agreeing. देव साहब के बाद अगर कोई है तो अनिल है और अनिल के बाद कोई है तो मैं हूं। तो खैर गुलशन से हमारा बहुत पुराना रिश्ता है इनफैक्ट एक एनेक्डोट आपको मैं बताऊं हम 5 रिलीज कर रहे थे एंड वी हैड अ प्रीमियर्स इन दिल्ली और दिल्ली में जिस थिएटर में हम जाते थे हर जगह भी ये बोलते थे गुलशन आपके पिछवाड़े में रहता था whichever area we visited Gulshan Grover had to be a resident of that place. Do you remember that Gulshan? चाहे वो रोहिणी हो चाहे वो गाजियाबाद हो चाहे वो शादरा हो चाहे वो साउथ दिल्ली हो whichever part of the Delhi wherever we had Hum Panch in a theater we made it a point to tell the people out there Gulshan belongs to this area so that we get at least the audience of that area to get to see the film but he's been a darling he's been a fantastic friend anytime of the day, any time of the night, anytime during the course of his shooting also, in case you think of something where you feel he can do it for you, he will stand up, rise and make sure that it's done. I've experienced that and I feel elated that he has called me for this event where the book on his son and him is launched together. I'm missing Sanjay. He's the naughtiest son I have come across. और ये दोनों बाप बेटी की जो जुगलबंदी देखने लायक है, मुझे कभी समझ भी नहीं आता संजय बाप है या गुलशन बाप है। इनकी दोस्ती इतनी गहरी है, पर बाप बेटे अलग है। उसके अलावा एक और चीज इनकी है, दे रिफ्यूज टू शेयर द सेम रूम। मुझे ऐसा लगा कि एक कमरे में दोनों को मैं डाल दूंगा, बट नहीं। Sanjay said, I don't want to sleep with him, I don't want to share my room with him. So both of them lived separately, but the love is unbelievable. The kind of love between the father and son, it is something to be seen, something to be, perhaps an example for every father and son to have that kind of feeling for the children. I've enjoyed whatever time I've spent with Sanjay. I've enjoyed whatever time I've spent with Gulshan. Keep it up, Gulshan. And I hope to see you one day honoring you at the Oscars. Today is the beginning. Society Achievers is the beginning. Maybe you reach the Oscars. Well, for me, you comes first, Sanjay comes second. So first it would be you, then it would be Sanjay, or maybe it would be Sanjay and then probably you would be on his shoulder. Okay. And that's it. I think I've spoken more than 1 minute. Thank you very much, society. Thank you very much, Ashok. Thank you very much, the young editor of the magazine and the younger editor of the magazine, Tsunami and Tsunami. Kya Tsunami aur aapka naam kya? Andrea. Well, mother and daughter, what a combination. We are launching a book which has father and son, edited by mother and daughter. That's a great feeling. That's a great feeling. Well, enjoy the evening, enjoy the dahi vadas and pakodas and all the unhealthy things which are available out here. I'll take your leave. I've got to rush to another event where I'm going to launch myself.
I'd just like to welcome you. Felicitation. For Andrea goes the bear and Tsunami to kindly join us for this felicitation. Hamare Indian traditional way, we like to felicitate them with the Indian shawl. बहुत shukriya. Bonnie Kapoor sir, it's been a huge honor indeed for all of us. और आपके शब्द सुनना तो हम सबको अच्छा लगता है. आपके बेस्ट विशेस जो आपने दिए, शुक्रगुजार हैं आपके. This has been very, very special for all of us. A fabulous moment indeed. Thank you very much. May we please felicitate Anu Ranjan ji. I'm going to request Gulshan sir along with Ashok Damankar ji to kindly felicitate Anu Ranjan ji along with Andrea and Tsunami. Please join us for this felicitation. All my distinguished dignitaries. Presenting our Indian tradition with a shawl, we'd like to welcome you, Anu ji. Bahut bahut shukriya. Yeah, it matches well. Absolutely an honor. Thank you so much, Anu Ranjan ji. And now, please let's put hands together for Gulshan Grover ji. An honor for the bad man of Bollywood. Let's give it up for the bad man, everybody. Thank you so much. A very special moment. Ooh la la la. Come on, come on. The iconic moment is here. The most awaited moment. Deviyo Sajano. Let's enjoy this, relish this, cherish this moment. It's truly the momentous moment that we have. Bonnie Kapoor ji to kindly do the honors for Gulshan Grover. बहुत खूबसूरत सा मिलाप है ये. We're truly thankful. May we please kindly request the book. So this is for you, sir. So we'll carry it for you.
Well, in the midst of all this honoring each other, we are forgetting that the person who deserves the most is not here. That's Sanjay Grover. He's a budding actor and a big producer in the making. He knows his way about in Hollywood, he knows his way about in pump industry, and very soon he will know his ways around globally. Sanjay is one person who is very, very enthusiastic. He deserves all the love and affection that he gets from all over, whether it's in West or in East or whether it is in Central India too. Gulshan has brought him up very well, and he's taken care of Gulshan very well too. Sometimes Gulshan needs more attention and more care, which he does very well. He's a darling. Sanjay, I've enjoyed his company while we were together in the US for about 2 weeks. We were on a recce, going from one studio to the other studio. And my God, the kind of goodwill he has, it's unbelievable. I mean, it was almost walk through to any studio that we wish to go. And this was all thanks to Sanjay. God bless him. God bless you, Gulshan. And I wish you had produced 3 more Sanjays.
Anuji, Bonnie, I promise 30 seconds more. I just have 4 special people to be felicitated. Please, sir, please. And then Anuji, we have to ask you a question, please. Yes. At first, the token of love, this is a issue. Wow. It's a very attractive memento.
This memento was at the last minute.
So plan things, sir. नहीं, Bonnie जी, पूरा plan होता है. May I please request Neeti Goyal ji and Gaurav Parekh ji, our famous restaurateurs and the co-founders of the spa, to kindly join us here. We like to felicitate them. Bonnie ji, just 4 felicitations. That's it. We are in love with this, Neeti Goyal ji and Gaurav Parekh. Thank you so much. May we kindly welcome Dr. Shivarama Bhandari, Bollywood's most famous hairstylist and the founder of Shiva's Stylo, to kindly join us here. Please receive this token of love as a bouquet, the lovely bouquet. Thank you. As a token of love. Welcoming the very bright and dynamic Dr. Yogesh Lakhani ji, the man who needs no introduction. Bright Outdoor Media, Kisle, please, I'm going to welcome you and your lovely team. So thank you so much. Thank you to Yogesh Lakhani ji. He's also coming, sir. May we welcome Tanushri Singh ji, Wellness World. Tanushri Singh has joined us here. Yes, Tanushri, please kindly join us here. Thank you, Tanushri. May we please kindly welcome and thank the media world lady who rules it so beautifully, Anusha Srinivasan Nair. And to accept the bouquet, may I please kindly request Siddhant, Anusha's son, to kindly join us here.
Thank you.
धन्यवाद.
Thank you, madam.
Ma'am, may we kindly can welcome you here? Ma'am. Hi, please join us, Jyoti Saxena, please. Please come, Jyoti. Kindly join. Anuji, please share with us a few words. You've always been a part of our society achievers. How does it feel with
I'll take 30 seconds because Bonnie is in a hurry. Bonnie, for you. Bonnie ke liye nahi, it's for you, Gulshan. When Gulshan stops talking, I'll talk. I said 30 seconds because Bonnie is in a hurry. I just like to say that Gulshan was one of Shashi's first friends I met when I got married 38 years ago, and he's been a friend ever since. And
When I was talking of Gulshan and Anil being together in the acting school, the part of the Three Stooges was Shashi and Sanu's husband. और शशि को एक गाना बहुत जबरदस्त गाना गाता था, रिकी रिकी ओ आ, अभी भी गाते हैं.
Jyoti ji, come.
We are missing Shashi too. I wish he had been here. well wishes from my side.
Thank you all guys, won't take much of your time. It's just that we've been old friends and I have known Sanjay obviously since he was born, and we've known him as a little boy who's now a big young man and doing brilliantly well in his career, and hoping that he's going to to greater heights. I thank you all so much, and congratulations to Gulshan and to Sanjay. Thank you so much.
Please come to PG. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. Can we have a lovely bouquet for Trupti as well? So, thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, Sir सिर्फ गुलशन जी का बात करना रह गया है. If you allow us 2 minutes, I would request him to speak a few words. About himself, about Sanjay, about you, everything, sir.
केवली मुझे अपने बारे में कोई बात नहीं करनी है. मैं सिर्फ यही बताना चाहता हूँ, यही कहना चाहता हूँ कि मेरे भाई दोस्त बोनी की बात सुनकर, मेरी भाभी, मेरे दोस्त शशि की वाइफ अनु जी की बात सुनकर, ओए फोन बंद कर, ये मेरे बेटे के बारे में बात कर रहा हूँ, बिल्कुल बर्दाश्त नहीं करूँगा फोन. तो नहीं, मैं पिछले 2 साल से कोई एक्टर वेक्टर नहीं हूँ, सिर्फ एक पिता हूँ. 2 साल पहले मेरा बेटा हॉलीवुड से वहाँ पर कुछ 16 साल लॉस एंजलिस में था, 13-14 साल हॉलीवुड के स्टूडियो MGM में, उस MGM के हेडक्वार्टर्स में फिल्म प्रोड्यूसर था. As very kindly बोनी said कि कुछ समय पहले संजय और बोनी हॉलीवुड गए थे, US गए थे. And Sanjay, that's very kind of you कि किसी भी स्टूडियो में, whether it was Sony Pictures, Netflix, Amazon, everywhere, Sanjay had relationships, Sanjay had great warmth, reaction from them, and of course, legendary producer Boni Kapoor. But Sanjay to नींद में भी Boni uncle, Boni uncle, Boni uncle. So many goras have said, where's Boni uncle? तो Boni uncle ही गए. तो मुझे बहुत खुशी है, मैं बहुत आभारी हूँ मैग्नेट पब्लिकेशन का, सीनियर एडिटर एंड्रिया कॉस्टबिल, यंग एडिटर सोनामी कॉस्टबिल, and all those young girls standing there, they're all part of the editorial team. You know, they work very hard in the publication. सामने बैठे हुए बहुत सारे मैग्नेट के जो पूरे collaborators, contributors हैं, चाहे वो मारिया हो, चाहे बाकी कहाँ गए सभी के सब. तो all of them have made this possible to come up with this issue on my son Sanjay Grover, जिसमें मैं supporting role में हूँ, क्योंकि मुझे वही रोल पसंद है और मैं उसी में बहुत खुश हूँ. और मेरा ख्याल है कि जो इन्होंने लिखा भी है कि संजय ग्रोवर्स ग्लोबल गेम प्लान या संजय ग्रोवर्स दिस थिंग, जिस प्रकार से हर पिता चाहता है, हर पेरेंट चाहता है कि उसका बच्चा कुछ ऐसा करे, कुछ इस तरह से, you know, like he takes everything forward. मैं भी ऐसा ही चाहता हूँ. I'm extremely happy and grateful for you know, the entire publication group to come up with this issue and, you know, give us this very, very special moment, you know, where we are standing here and unveiling the magazine. And I'll be very happy, very interested that all of you read this magazine, because it shows a young person's journey. A young person's journey in Hollywood, young person's journey here. And as my friend Boni and my भाभी या मेरे भाई की बीवी, किस तरह से प्रेजेंट करूँ, अनु जी has spoken about Sanjay and has sort of in their few lines given their blessings to Sanjay. I'm extremely happy, humbled, honored and confused. Thank you.
Wow, so beautiful.
Heartfelt congratulations. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Simran Ahuja and I'm truly overwhelmed and elated and heart full of gratitude to be here with all our legends. Thank you, Society HU's special issue. I'm going to have only one question answered by Bonnie said if he agrees. सर बस 30 seconds and we are all done. We are done. सिर्फ वो चाह रहे थे एक क्वेश्चन पूछे. जल्दी पूछिए. अच्छा friends of the meeting.
Well, it's overwhelming to be part of celebration of Sanjay, Gulshan, father and son together, rather son and father together. I've known Gulshan for over 40 years, and I've known Sanjay ever since he was born. So it's really heartening to see that he started his journey in Hollywood, now he's here in Bombay, and traveling all over across the globe, making his mark. He's a very bright boy. He's someone who will make his mark very soon. He will make his father proud. He will make all of us proud. And I'm sure one day he'll make the country proud too. He has that kind of talent. He has that kind of energy. He is an amazing kid who I feel, एक क्लीशेड कहावत है कि जैक ऑफ ऑल के मास्टर ऑफ नन. ये है ना, ही इज मास्टर ऑफ ऑल एंड जैक ऑफ नन. Master of all and jack of none. That's how smart he is. I wish him luck for a great, glorious journey in future, for his future. And I hope he rises up and up and up and makes his father prouder. His father is proud of him even now, but he should be even more prouder. One day you will find Gulshan Grover probably gaining 1 or 2 feet more height just because of his son Sanjay. He has that quality and I'm sure he will do it. Gulshan ji, ठीक बोल रहा हूँ मैं?
Thank you so much. I'm so overwhelmed and emotional hearing this.
I don't see the tears, but I believe that you are overwhelmed. और कुछ पूछना चाहेंगे?
सर आप क्या कुछ कहना चाहेंगे? एक तो आपके पुराने मित्र इस
मेरा हो गया?
लोकेशन में नहीं, आप रुकिए.
तो किससे पूछ रहे अभी आप?
अभी गुलशन सर.
नहीं, मेरा खत्म करो फिर उधर जाओ.
नहीं, बोनी जी को पूछो.
तो बोनी सर, जब इतने पुराने मित्र इतने सोसाइटी जैसे पेजेस पे आते हैं तो क्या कुछ मेमोरी जो एक टाइम का मेमोरी जो आप शेयर करना चाह रहे हैं विद ऑडियंस?
मैंने अपने मेमोरीज के बारे में बताया ना कि जब ये घर पे आते थे.
बट ऐसा मेमोरीज जो अभी तक आपने किसी को नहीं बताया हो, और आई एम श्योर वो मेमोरीज जरूर होंगे सर की रिलेटेड.
खैर, इतनी बड़ी बात मैंने बताई. हम दिल्ली प्रीमियर पे जब गए थे तो हर थिएटर में हम जाते थे, बोलते गुलशन उधर ही का रहने वाला है. इससे बड़ी मेमोरी क्या हो सकती है?
सर जैसे कि इधर फादर सन की बॉन्डिंग की बात हो रही है, अगर आपके फादर सन की बॉन्डिंग की बात करें, ये जिस प्रकार काफ़ी इमोशनल हो गए, अभी भी देख सकते हैं हम, काफ़ी खुश है. आपके जो अर्जुन कपूर सर है उनके और आपकी बॉन्डिंग की बात करें तो कुछ स्पेशल है?
जैसे हर फादर सन की होती है, डिग्रीज वेरी. अब गुलशन की मतलब होता है ना कि ही इज़ अ फादर एंड मदर एंड फ्रेंड टू संजय. Similarly, I am a father, mother and a friend to my son Arjun. Sanjay has been away from Gulshan, staying in Hollywood, Los Angeles for a long, long time. So sometimes distance creates more love. Similarly, मेरे और अर्जुन के साथ भी ये है कि we have been very close to each other while he's not been abroad, while he's not stayed away for 16 years. But the affection of a father and son is there and will remain. I mean, this is something which is there in our Indian culture, whether it's a son or it's a daughter. A father figure, has to have this feeling of feeling proud of his children and wait for the kind of, the kind of success that they are working for. And it's very important for all the fathers to feel proud of their children. Like I do I feel very, very proud of all my 4 children, be it Anshula, be it Arjun, be it Janvi, be it Kushi, and Sanjay also.
Thank you.
He's also like a son to me. Now these kids are doing themselves very proud, making their parents proud, making the entire fraternity proud, and I hope they reach their peak very soon and make the country proud.
इवन सर जैसे संजय सर गुलशन सर को हम वैक्सीन के थ्रू एक साथ देखे, आपको और अर्जुन सर को कभी आगे ऑन स्क्रीन या फिर ऐसा डायरेक्शन ऐसा कुछ?
क्योंकि आप तेवर की शूटिंग पे आए नहीं थे ना. हाँ, तेवर की जब प्रेस मीट तो आए नहीं थे. अपकमिंग क्या, हम कई बार साथ में रहते हैं, कई बार होते हैं, कई तस्वीरें कई जगह. अब आप शायद कहीं ना कहीं छुप जाती होंगी, या मेरे से डर के या अर्जुन से डर के.
मैं छोटी थी.
हाँ, तो उसमें मेरी गलती तो नहीं है शूटिंग।
फिर भी अगर साथ में फिर से देखना चाहें लोग
अब देखेंगे, अभी मैं फिल्म शुरू कर रहा हूँ नो एंट्री में एंट्री, जिसमें अर्जुन भी है, मतलब ही इज़ देयर विद वरुण, दलजीत, एंड अर्जुन इज़ द थर्ड हीरो इन द फिल्म।
Sir, in the future, will you be seeing you and Gulshan ji or Sanjay ji working together?
Well, I would love to see all of us working together. The spirit remains the same as it was 42 or 43 years back. 89 में हमने शुरू की थी पिक्चर ये, तो 89 से अब तक कितने हो गए? 46 years हो गए ना?
35.
नो
89 से.
हाँ 89 से
35.
36।
35, 36 तो कोई.
तो खैर देख लो, हम काउंट भी भूल जाते हैं, इतने साल हम साथ में रहे। बट फैक्ट ये है कि शुरू पिक्चर तब हुई थी, पर जान पहचान उससे पहले थी, क्योंकि दे ऑल वेंट टू द सेम एक्टिंग स्कूल ऑफ रोशन तनेजा, एंड आई थिंक 2 years or 3 years they were together before they could get their breaks, and I've known them since then, and they've only grown where their personality is concerned, where their persona is concerned. I mean, they have mastered their art. Gulshan has mastered the art of playing a bad man. Anil has mastered the art of playing bad man, good man, old man, young man, which Gulshan also has done. I mean, he has played varied kind of roles. And Shashi, of course, he is one person who has created a niche for himself. He has created, an awareness what it is not just cinema, it is not just films. Television also is equally important. The exposure television gives to the actors is as important as the films, perhaps at times even more important. So he with his wife Anu has brought that also in the forefront, and I feel that's a great job done. साल या 2 साल पहले मुझे बुलाया था कोई अवार्ड देने के लिए, तो उस वक्त मुझे अंदाज़ा हुआ कि मतलब जो इन्होंने अचीव किया है बहुत कम लोगों ने अचीव किया इन दैट पर्टिकुलर फील्ड, एंड टुडे their award and that their citation, ITA and various other things that they do has a lot of respect, and so I have a lot of respect for them too and for all what they do. They have got 2 lovely daughters who are doing well for themselves, and it's a happy family, and it feels good to see the 2 of them together as they were when they began the journey. And incidentally, before I met Anu, before I could see them married, I knew Anu's father.
Yeah.
Which probably the world is not aware. Maybe only Anu is aware. We were together at the Jindal farm. I was there to give company to my late wife Mona, and he was there also to regenerate himself because he wanted to live longer to see that Anu gets married to the right man. Finally, he succeeded in getting the right man for Anu because Shashi is a fantastic friend. He's a nice person and very, very innovative. And I think both of them have done a great job in whatever they've done so far. अब ये है कि इन्होंने हाल में एक राकेश रोशन और रोशन के ऊपर एक नेटफ्लिक्स के लिए कंटेंट भी बनाया जो सब जगह मतलब अप्रिशिएट हुआ है. तो आई एम श्योर दे विल कंटिन्यू द गुड वर्क. माई गुड विशेज आर विद देम एंड दे विल always be with them.
We are in our 25th year of ITA Awards.
See, 25th year of ITA Award, मतलब मेरे पैदा होने से पहले नहीं शुरू तो मैं सिर्फ 24 का हूँ, 25 साल से ये लगे.
Sir, only sir, with your new rejuvenated slim look, you are getting lot of acting offers also. आपका ये look जबरदस्त.
बस मैं वेट कर रहा हूँ चैतन्य कब मेरे पास आएगा एक ऑफर लेके. हाँ,
धोनी जी एकदम हॉट हो गए.
मैं तो वेट कर रहा हूँ चैतन्य.
Honestly, I mean.
दो रिपीट करो, क्या बोल रहे थे तुम?
Like people are saying, who is this new star kid on the block? मतलब
Kid
इस तरह से, yeah, मतलब
नहीं
rejuvenated.
Kid is the right word.
हाँ.
This is all thanks to my friends in media, the photographers who make me look young. मैं उनको बताता हूँ भैया नीचे से लो, ये सही एंगल है, कुछ अपने आप को और मतलब.
ये तो फैक्ट है, you are looking younger and more dashing every day. ये तो सत्य है, क्योंकि वो उनको जो जिस कोने से जहाँ से मौका मिल जाता है फोटो खींचते हैं, बिकॉज अदरवाइज दे विल मिस द फोटो. करेक्ट है भाई योगेश.
अभी आई थिंक कुछ ज़्यादा तारीफ होगी मेरी. द मेन इवेंट इज ऑफ संजय एंड गुलशन. लेट्स टॉक ऑफ संजय एंड गुलशन.
व्हाट अबाउट द यंग एडिटर एंड एंड्रिया एज वेल. उस वक्त
वेल आई वुड लाइक टू थैंक द यंग एडिटर एंड द यंग एडिटर Tsunami and her mother, Andrea, and of course the entire team of society, and their head, Ashok. I have known Ashok also for over 40 years. मैं अशोक को जानता हूँ जब पूरे बाल थे उसके पास.
Ashok sir, please come closer, no? Please sir.
एक टाइम पे इनके बाल भरे रहते थे, मतलब जुल्फे रहती थी और ये बाल झटकते थे. अब कुछ कम हो गए, मैं इनको बोल रहा हूँ मेरे डॉक्टर के पास जाओ, बाल लगाओ. मैं भी बाल इम्प्लांट किया. तो मैंने इनसे भी कहा है कि आप भी बाल इम्प्लांट करो, ताकि ये लेगेसी जो सोसाइटी की, स्टारडस्ट की जो है, जो इनके हाथ में इस वक्त है, उसको आगे लेकर चलो.
Friends,
thank you very much, and I'll take your leave.
Friends, good evening. I want to thank Boni and Gulshan, especially for Gulshan giving us the opportunity and Anuranjan. Okay, Gulshan has हमें एक ऐसी opportunity दी है, उससे एक हमारा सौभाग्य है कि गुलशन की जो स्टोरी है, लाइफ स्टोरी around with his son, which we have presented in our magazine Society Achievers, and I hope everyone like it. It's a story, something which is father and son together, and how a son has started the leaning from Bollywood to Hollywood, and now is Bollywood back to Bollywood. It's very interesting, and I'm sure everyone will love it. Special thanks, Boni. Boni is like a family to us. Our relationship starts with almost 50 years ago when our chairman Mr. Hira वहीं से चालू हुई है, and we will love to continue with the same. In fact, Mr. Hira is not here today, but his legacy is definitely we're going to carry forward for years too. Thank you so much for all the friends supporting us and giving. Please give us a support like this. Thank you so much. Yes, I also want to thank our friend Bright योगेश जी आए हुए हैं. बहुत लेट आए लेकिन आए हुए हैं. थैंक यू सो मच योगेश जी. अनुजी
तो भाई लीजिए पिक्चर लीजिए.
सर जी लोग पीछे आए. वाइट
થઈ ગયો.
फ्रेम में आ गयो. अनुजी, how does it feel to be here and take picture feeling of society?
Boni just answered every single answer I had in mind. So, no, it feels wonderful, and thank you so much for inviting me. That is very important, and I wish Gulshan and Sanjay lots of happiness and success forever and ever. Thank you so much.
वृंदा जी अशोक जी की बेटी है. इनमें और मुझ में सिर्फ 1 साल का फर्क है.
24 और 25.
ये मेरे से 1 साल बड़ी है और मैं 1 साल.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
The group you forgot the most important person, the anchor of the show.
Thank you, sir.
Anchor of the show, Simran Shukla.
Ahuja.
So, Simran Ahuja. A round of applause for her.
Humble thanks, sir.
Job very well done.
Thank you, sir. Humble thanks, sir. Very kind. Appreciate it so much. Thank you, Dr. Yogesh Lakhani ji. It's always.
Okay.
Thank you very much, Boni sir. Humble thanks to you with folded hands. बहुत शुक्रिया sir. Bijlani ji आ रहे हैं in the next 2 minutes from now.
I'll just get it.
Do we please have, yeah.
Wow, that's pink, my favorite color.
Ashok sir, I kindly request you to kindly face it. And Khushi saying this is her favorite color. Yeah. So please, friends of the media, please kindly join us. Ladies and gentlemen, as we like to present the Indian tradition welcome for Khushi Mukherjee. Thank you. A word from you, Khushi. How does it feel being here with us?
It feels really well.
It feels really, really, really very
I feel very grateful and respectful being over here. Thank you for felicitating me and welcoming me. I really feel very obliged. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thanks for coming.
At Miss Universe, the fabulous, incredible actress, and it's time for all of us to do. Oh, come on, everybody, let's cheer and give it up for the one and only, the ravishing diva, the queen herself, presenting here at a grand unveiling of Society Achievers, the Maxi Middle Class Society to a special issue. Let's dance together for Sangeeta Bijlani, popularly known as Bijli. And बिल्कुल इनके नाम की तरह एनर्जी और बिजली भी अब इस वक्त इस पल हमारे साथ यहाँ पर है. So what a fabulous moment for us. I want to kindly request Ashok Damankar sir, Andrea Costa-Bir, Tsunami Costa-Bir to please join us here.
Andrea, please come.
Tsunami, please join us as well. Come.
Andrea, hold this.
We're truly humbled. The fact that Sangeeta ji khas Vashi se, she's here only for the unveiling to join Gulshan Grover ji. We love you, ma'am. Thank you so much. इन्होंने अपने brilliant performances से सबका दिल तो जीता है, but ladies and gentlemen, let me tell you, right now, this is the utmost precious moment for us as we have her gracious presence. She's a personification of grace, elegance and sophistication. A wow moment for us indeed, as we shall now get to hear from Sangeeta Bijlani ji right after this unveiling. Gulshan sir, can you have that bright smile, because Bijli is next to you. Energetic smile, energetic cheer, everybody, let's make some noise. Thank you. May we please have the lovely bouquet and the felicitation for Sangeeta ji, please.
Oh my god. Oh, I didn't realize that.
On the cover page, presenting Gulshan Grover and Sanjay Grover, the trailblazer, who's born in Bollywood and brought up in Hollywood. He's already achieved accolades there with his fabulous training with Lee Strasberg, Theatre and Film Academy at Los Angeles. Sanjay has already won hearts with his directorial debut as a filmmaker, and now looking forward to seeing him on the big screen and the small screen. A huge round of applause as we felicitate Miss Sangeeta Bijlani. Thank you so much for honoring us. It's a very, very special moment indeed. And super gorgeous and stunning as always is Sangeeta ji. आपको फोटो हो गया था, कब से इंतजार कर रहे थे. देखो देखो इसकी हंसी तो देखो, मुस्कुराती हंसी है. Hello everybody, so nice to be here with all of you. I'd like to congratulate Gulshan ji, Gulshan and Sanjay for this fantastic cover and Society magazine as well for such a wonderful quality and such a wonderful job, and meeting all of you after so long. It's so nice to see you all.
Yes, same.
And also meeting Chaitanya.
Yes, here.
I'm seeing him after ages.
It's an honor to reconnect with you.
It's such a pleasure to meet all of you. It's so nostalgic. Grown-up meeting and seeing all of you during my work that I was doing. So yes, and all the paps are here. You're just the same even now. So don't say yesteryears, it's now. So you just wow, like an actress, yeah. Present time. And Gulshan is looking really cool here. What do you think? Sanjay is looking better, but Gulshan Grover is Gulshan Grover. Sanjay is also looking cool, but why isn't he here?
He's in London.
He's shooting a film. So that's more important, definitely. But I would like to congratulate Gulshan and his son for this wonderful jodi and this great pictures. And I haven't read the article yet, but I will do that since this is mine, right?
Yes, it is.
You may write.
Yes.
So have a good read, and it's wonderful to see you all on the cover. the Jodi. They look like brothers actually, I think.
Right.
They do look like brothers, yes.
Gulshan, do tell us about your association with Sanjay.
चूँकि मैंने पहले शुरू में भी कहा कि हमेशा से पर पिछले 2 साल से मैं कोई एक्टर बैटमैन गुलशन ग्रोवर नहीं हूँ, मैं सिर्फ एक फादर हूँ, पिता हूँ. All that I've been thinking, doing is being a father. As Sonami, the editor, Andrea's daughter is the editor of this particular issue. There she is, Sonami. Special issue. And of course, Andrea is the editor-in-chief of everything. And those young girls standing behind are part of the editorial team. And of course, Ashok Dhamankar, the publisher, and the entire team of Magnet. Ashok Dhamankar की wife भी खड़ी है सामने. तो because it's all about, to be very honest, when you read Deepak, छोड़ना नहीं. It's all, when you start to read this issue, Sangeeta, you realize that what a wonderful achiever this young man Sanjay Grover is. As Boni a few seconds back mentioned, that Boni, when he went to Hollywood along with Sanjay, how within seconds Sanjay could open the doors of every big Hollywood studio. Took Boni to every big studio, and these are Boni's words that he said right here. Every big shot in Hollywood welcomes Sanjay with such a warm smile. And that makes the father feel very happy that how, while, like initially went to study in Hollywood, in UCLA, and then how he became a film producer at MGM's headquarters under his mentor, Mary Parent. And yes, and today, we are all here. Of course, you are my friends, but it's all primarily because of Sanjay. So please say 2 lines about my son, Sanjay.
I'd like to congratulate Sanjay because छोटी उम्र में इतना बड़ा काम कर रहे हैं, and to be in Hollywood and open doors, like he says, it's not easy over there. It's even more difficult. यहाँ तो अपने लोग होते हैं, but वहाँ पे ऐसा काम करना, it's a huge achievement, and I really commend him for that and his talent, and I really wish him all the best from my heart, and may he go places and may he go higher and make his father even more proud.
Can we please have our team, entire team?
अरे ग्रुप बड़ा है भाई, पीछे आ जाओ ना भाई.
भाई कैमरा भाई कैमरा
भाई
कैमरा भाई.
मोबाइल मोबाइल पीछे जाओ. हाँ वही पीछे कैमरा है मैं सामने. Wait, sir. Wait, please.
वेट.
Wait.
हाँ रुके भाई. हाँ रुके ही है. सेंटर. Done. Thank you. Thank you. Yes, ma'am. ऐसा फोटोग्राफर है रे ऑब्वियस तो स्टैंड के ऊपर हाथ रख. साइलेंस. दादा हटो दादा. कौन मैं भेटला का. ओ भेटला.
अरे सर सेंटर.
संगीता जी सेंटर. संगीता जी या संगीता जी दिस साइड.
संगीता मैम. हेलो विनोद जी, आप विनोद जी. संगीता जी इधर देखिए ना मैम।
संगीता जी या संगीता जी सेंटर सेंटर सेंटर
संगीता जी थोड़ा ऐसे टर्न ले लीजिए मैम। इधर देखिए। गजल ने किया है भाई बस मैम इधर थोड़ा टर्न हो गया। मैम सेंटर मैम ये लुक है। गुलशन जी एक साथ पे आ जाइए सर। आइए अशोक जी आप भी आइए। यस सर इधर देखिए इधर हाँ चले। गुलशन जी लोग गुलशन जी यहाँ पे मैम यहाँ पे
बोथ ऑफ यू सेंटर
गुलशन सर इधर देखो ना इधर मैम इधर देखिए मैम लुक
बोथ ऑफ यू सेंटर डन थैंक
पीछे गरीब आदमी है हमारा लेके बैठा होता गरीब है चलो रेडी
या लोग
रेडी
सिमरन जी यहाँ पे लोग मोबाइल
सेंटर
सेंटर सामने यहाँ पे इस तरफ सर यहाँ पे सर
भाई वो भी सेंटर ही है
हाँ
यस परफेक्ट
सर
या मैम लोग
मैम रुको यार बैटरी खत्म हो गई 2 मिनट बैटरी खत्म हो गई सबर करो यार
यस दिस इज फाइन done ma'am thank you
यहाँ पे थैंक यू
ma'am on your left both of you left ma'am here ma'am
हाथ घुमाएगा 2 मिनट रुको भाई काम नहीं करेगा अकेला
थैंक यू मैम
वेट यहाँ पे शीना जी यहाँ पे सामने मैडम यहाँ पे किधर आ रहा है अरे तू यार
वेट
नाइस लुकिंग
सर ऐसा थोड़ा मुझे हो तो सर मुझ पे थोड़ा
ताओ
मुझ पे तो ये शीतल बाजू हो जा आप दोनों साथ में आइए पानी पूरी खाइए इनका डायलॉग भी है ना जिंदगी में कुछ खट्टा होना चाहिए हाँ ये अच्छा था ये अच्छा है
साइड बैकग्राउंड क्लियर यस
ये हुई ना बात
अरे पीछे से क्लियर करो।
बैकग्राउंड क्लियर।
पूछे हो तो गुलशन जैसे।
हाँ।
वाओ।
जिंदगी में कुछ खट्टा होना चाहिए। इनका डायलॉग है खट्टा
सब पानी
इधर ही है।
सॉरी।
अरे पानी पूरी किधर है? दे दो।
पानीपुरी वाला भाई
उरुस
हो जाए।
उरुस पीछे उरुस
भाई हाथ दे। अरे मैडम को भी उधर ले लो। बड़ा सर कट है।
यस।
अरे किधर है? पानी पूरी एक ही दे रहे हैं।
पानीपुरी।
दिल्ली, कोलकाता, मुंबई।
अरे आए नहीं वो
पानीपुरी आया ही
ना
नहीं।
भाई। क्या सोच रहे हैं?
क्या कर रहे हो भाई तब से तुम?
हाँ बना रहे थे।
ट्राइपॉड दे दी श्वेता। श्वेता श्वेता हाँ
हम बहुत अच्छे मैम। प्लीज आप रेडी।
श्वेता
हाँ उनको भी
हिलाओ मत यार।
वो मैडम थोड़ा पीछे हो जाना।
गो फॉर इट।
कम ऑन मैम।
कम ऑन गो फॉर इट।
श्वेता ए ट्राइपॉड दी।
यस।
Cheers the पानी
इधर इधर
कुछ खट्टा हो जाए।
कुछ खट्टा मीठा साथ में हो जाए।
क्या बात है। संगीता जी आपका फेस ही बाहर
और
आ रहा है।
चटपटा। गुलशन सर। हाँ भाई। गो फॉर इट।
सर खा लीजिए सर।
खिला दीजिए।
सर खा लीजिए सर।
खिला दीजिए।
संगीता जी का मुंह ऐसा वैसा होकर भी सुंदर लगता है। हमारा ऐसा
नहीं नहीं आप भी सुंदर ही हो।
गो फॉर इट।
यस।
गो फॉर इट सर।
थैंक यू। अरे गुलशन सर खाए नहीं।
यस
यस बोल
नो मैम।
लीगल